Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna create yet another masterpiece of our friend Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550 paracord. You can find Pavel's account on the Instagram, so go ahead and check the Cetus 550 Pavel Makurin for this and any other project you may find interested on his account. So that being said, we're gonna use the 4-strand bracelet core. As you can see here, the full tutorial how to create it you have in information cards in the top right corner of this video. Also, how to make this awesome paracord bracelet you can find in the cards or in the description box down below. So here I have the dark gray paracord 550 and the yellow paracord also 550. The full dimensions and the length of a paracord you can find in the description down below. That being said, we can start. We're gonna take the needle or a feed and we're gonna insert the yellow cord into this end of a bracelet, and we're gonna pull it and we're gonna exiting here, so we will have the two working ends of a yellow paracord. Now we're gonna detach the needle and then we're gonna take the ends of a yellow cord. So we're gonna pull them together to find the center of the cord, to even them, and then we can start with our today's project. If you need a paracord or a jig or a buckle, you can find the links to our supplier down below into the description box. Those are affiliate links, so by purchasing the paracord equipment and the paracord through them, you're helping this channel to be better than it is. And also you can support us via Patreon, so go ahead and check the Patreon page. Now we're gonna take the gray paracord and we're gonna create the loop over the paracord or the project base cords. So on top of those 4 cords, then in the gap between 3rd and the 4th cord, like so. Now around under those 2 inner cords, and from the back side through the top in the gap between 1st and the 2nd cord. So as you can see here, we basically pull the cords under those 2 center cords of a bracelet core, and we exiting to the side. Now we're gonna take the yellow cord and we make it under through the gap between 1st and the 2nd cord, like so, and to the side. Now from here we're gonna take this gray cord and we're gonna make it around this loop here, so through and under. So pay attention here, we have the gray cord heading from the top into the gap between 3rd and the 4th cord, under those 2 center cords and through the top. Then we have the yellow cords from the left side entering from the back through the gap between 1st and the 2nd cord of the bracelet core and up, and with the gray cord we make the loop, making it through the loop of the yellow cord and to the back. But important thing here is that this strand gonna go under this one, not on top but under. So now we're gonna do the right strand cord, so on top through the gap between 1st and the 2nd cord of bracelet core, from the back through the gap between 3rd and the 4th cord, and to the side. the same thing on the left side, so on top into the gap between first and the second cord, under those two center cords, and from the back through the top in the gap between third and the fourth paracord bracelet core. Now the yellow one, so we're gonna take it, and from the back we're gonna insert it into the gap between first and the second cord from this right side here, so under and through, like so. And now with this gray one we're gonna go around through the loop of this yellow here and through. And as I said earlier, this one needs to go under the leading cord, so through the gap between first and the second cord, under the center cords, and through the gap between third and the fourth cords to the top. Then the yellow from the back side, entering the gap between first and the second cord from the right side, as you can see here. And then we're gonna pull the gray cord through this loop of the yellow cord, but the leading gray cord gonna go under the gray cord, so like this. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, cinch it, and continue. So here we are finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit that bell button also so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. As you can see, this is very fast, very easy to make, but yet very elegant and very neat paracord bracelet. If you do it without the buckles, you can make it so you have the two ends. This side is also nice. Until next time, as always, I wish you just best. Stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!